Filipino Spanish bread, very unusual kind of bread. It is a soft yeast rolls rolled into breadcrumbs to create a lightly crunchy coating before baking, and it is filled with buttery sweet filling. Okay mga ka-friendship, so ito lahat yung ating mga ingredients sa paggawa ng Spanish bread. Para sa paggawa ng ating dough, mangangailangan tayo ng 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups granulated white sugar, and half cup of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 egg yolks, and 3/4 cups of fresh milk. Also 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, and yung ating breadcrumbs na kakailanganin natin both sa dough and sa ating filling. At ito naman yung ingredients natin para sa ating filling. Kailangan natin ng softened butter, which is 1/3 cup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup brown sugar. And since I don't have brown sugar, so nagmix ako ng dark brown sugar and white sugar. So first step mga ka-friendship is to mix and combine all filling ingredients in a bowl and then set aside. Next step is to stir and dissolve the yeast in warm milk for 5 to 10 minutes. Now guys, sa ating mixer, i-mix and combine natin yung ating milk, sugar, butter, egg yolks, and salt, and then combine it well. And kapag sigurado na tayong na-combine lahat yon very well, we gradually add in the flour spoon by spoon. Now guys, kapag na-incorporate na natin lahat yung ating flour, we will knead it for 10 minutes till smooth and elastic, and then i-transfer natin siya in a greased bowl and then cover it and let it rise for an hour. Now guys, we'll flatten the dough and cut it into triangular shape, and ilalagay na natin yung ating filling. Pag nalagyan na natin lahat ng ating filling yung ating dough guys, i-roll natin siya sa ating breadcrumbs before baking. Now, i-bake na natin siya for 20 to 30 minutes at 325 degrees. And now, meron na tayong meriendang Spanish bread. Delicious!